Hi, David here of Lancaster MG, and here we've got a brand new MG HS Excite 1.5 manual, and what we're doing in this video is just showing you around some of the features it comes with. So first we'll just start with the alloy design. So obviously there's not going to be any wear and tear on this, it's brand new, so we won't spend too long on that. There's no point in me going on every other one afterwards. And there you go, nice simple design, looks very nice. You've also got this moulded section down at the bottom. Got keyless entry just over here. There is a little cover for that, but until the car's had a pre-delivery inspection you do have to open it manually, so that will be on there once it's handed over. As you can see though, bodywork is very nice on this. Some very nice clean lines everywhere. Some nice LED headlights there as well. Nice large grille. So you can see, just a really nice shaped vehicle, quite nice and practical as well, fairly large. You get roof bars on top as well. You do have your shark fin style antenna for your DAB radio. Onto the rear, you've got 4 parking sensors down on the unpainted moulded section. So for example, if you did ever back in something and damage them, you don't have to buy painted parking sensors to replace. And also got a reverse camera as well. I'll just pop the boot open. Inside the boot you've got plenty of storage. You've got a fully style load cover as well, so you can just slide it out of the way. Underneath the boot floor you've got a warning triangle and a couple of storage trays. Underneath that you've got your inflation kit as well, which could fit a spare wheel under there if you wanted it to. Also just put the seat down and show you one little feature I like. So if you heard that, it actually clicks into place and locks it down, which means it's not going to keep bouncing up when you get into the rear there. So if you look, without releasing it, it's not going anywhere. You actually have to release that and lift it up. It's also got one of the best armrests I've seen in the car for a while, so it does look very nice. You've got quite a bit of storage under that section there, and a little pop-out section at the front for cup holders. Upside of that is quite a lot of them just have 2 cup holders there, and your elbow ends up sinking into it. So with this, they only come out when you want them to be out. As far as the rear seat passenger comfort goes, alongside the armrest and very comfortable chairs, you've got some climate vents, and you've got a couple of USB sockets just down there. And then from there we'll just move into the front. So you do get electric windows all round. You've also got electric folding wing mirrors. And just start the engine up as well. Just show it has only got delivery miles, so I think it's around 11 miles. There we go. So quite a few warning lights will pop up. As I said, it hasn't had its PDI yet, so that is due. So onto the controls around the wheel, you've got all these sort of trip computer controls and everything just in front of you there. Over on the left hand side you've got your audio controls. Then got your cruise control stalk just down at the bottom with automatic lights up at the top and your indicator stalk. You've also got lane keep assist just on the end there. Over on this side you've just got your intermittent wipers. Towards the centre screen, so you do get air conditioning as I've currently got it running. You've got radio and multiple other ways to connect up your devices such as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and you do also get nav. So just give it a second to load up and that'll ask me to hit accept at the bottom. Just give it a second. It does take a little longer when the car's just started. If it's been running a minute or two it's fairly immediate. But it is quite a nice simple design, not overcomplicated, not too many colours going on, it just tells you what you need to know. And there are a few shortcut keys, so the home button there brings you straight back on. As I showed before, it does have reverse camera, so you pop it into reverse, nice clear camera as well, and you can hear the parking sensors as well. And then under this little section you've got your 12 volt power outlet, USB socket, and then that one there's for your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Moving down, you've got your stop start button just there, so you can turn that off if you're not a big fan. You do have an electronic parking brake with an auto hold function, so that's very nice when you're doing hill starts. You've also got hill descent control. And you've got this nice manual gearbox, looks like it's straight out of VW, so nice and pleasant to use. If you push down and across, go into reverse. Then last couple of little things to finish off with, you get 2 cup holders, little storage area there, and underneath, just where I'll stash the key for now, you've got a nice bit of storage just underneath there as well. So if there is anything I've missed in this video, any extra info you want, don't hesitate to get in contact. And just before I finish it up, we do have a few of these models in stock. As you can see, there's a few just over there, all brand new, so we should have enough for anyone who wants one. If you are interested, give us a call and we'll see what we can do to help. Thanks for watching, take care, bye.